Hello students. So as you know, the UPSC examination for CSE prelims of 2020 has been conducted on 4th October. There was demands by the students to postpone the examination, but UPSC has already postponed the examination from 31st May to 4th October. So UPSC didn't further extended the examination and it has conducted finally. In this video, I'll discuss you the subject-wise weightage of the questions asked in the examination according to me. You must be knowing already that there are total 100 questions asked in the UPSC examination of paper 1, which has to be attempted within 2 hours. Before going to the main topic, I want you to take the look at few points here. The weightage which I'm gonna discuss with you will be according to me. Simply, it is very subjective in nature, as we know that the nature of the examination is interdisciplinary. So the questions which are asked are overlapping and mixed in nature. So anyone, any person or any coaching institute which tells you the weightage, it's according to him, her or them. It's not accurate until and unless UPSC itself tell it. So you know the rest. So without further delay, let's go to the main topic. So this is the list made by me. I have included the weightage of 2018 and 19 also for the comparison and clarity. So as the first subject of geography, the number of questions have declined. So in this year, 5 questions has been asked. In history subject, questions asked were 19 according to me. There were 11 questions from ancient and art and culture and 8 from the modern. The difficulty level of the history subject was respectively high this year. Now going to polity, there were 18 questions from polity and the difficulty level was easy in this year. From environment and ecology, 12 questions were asked and there were mainly current based. There were 15 questions asked from the core economics and 13 questions asked from agriculture. As we know, the agriculture is the part of economic subject itself, so the total number of questions asked from the whole economics were 28. Number of questions from agriculture has increased this year. There were 18 questions asked from science and technology, in which technology were focused by the UPSC. I have not given the number of questions asked from current affairs segment. I have included them in the subjects itself. I expected this year that the number of questions from science and technology will increase and the number of questions from environment and ecology will decrease. So it has happened. The unique thing happened, which we can call unpredictable move of UPSC, was the sudden increase in the agriculture questions. The geography questions were easy and the history questions were comparatively difficult. So this was my analysis of the paper. What you understand, what you feel, what you know, share in the comment section. Like this video if you like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.